Guys, hello guys, please keep your cameras on. It will better look like a class, otherwise you will look like a backbenchers of this class. Saubhagya Ranjan, Shah Rishivam, hi, Intika, Mrinali, Ninath, Syed Zushan.
Hello, sir. Good
Hello
evening.
Saubhagya. Good evening.
Sir, can you just go through the skill practice? How do you what would you like to suggest to the skill practice section?
For scale practice, for
Yeah.
what kind of major scales only or the other scales?
The skill, minor skills, sir. If you suggest any skill, then we can
Yeah,
go further, right? Yeah. From that, we can find the natural manner, from the harmonic manner, and everything will be like
it
find
will
out
be
from that.
connected to the major scale, of course.
Yeah, yeah.
Yes.
Okay.
But
So,
there will be other scales be as well, like
yeah,
7 note scale, 8 note scale, 5 note scale, 6 note
yes,
scales,
it's dependent on each
four
skill.
note
Yeah.
scales. Yeah.
Exactly. So, if possible, sir, can you please show that how you practice like the
How
skill
I
practice?
practice scales? I practice scales with every
Yeah.
each note. I just keep playing from one note I choose,
Okay.
and I start playing scales from that particular note only. So I'll play this. This is a A note. So I'll start with a major scale over here, and I'll try to complete all the major. Then I play the next one. That is a Dorian. Once I get this Dorian, I'll play the Phrygian. Then Lydian. Then Mixolydian. Then I Aeolian.
Where can I find the particular the finger pattern and all these things, sir? The way you are playing, where can I find that, sir?
Where you can find. Well, right now I'm playing in 3 note per string. It is called 3 note per string. You can actually. Which guitar do you have? I'm having this Ultra
I
series from
just
Fender
have an
Stratocaster.
acoustic guitar. Just a second, sir.
It's 3 note per string. You can find it online. Right now I'm playing 3 note per string. So you need to know how to play these scales at 7 different places. Once you get this done, this 3 note one, you can. It will become more easier to work and keep it.
I
That's a major one. It's still major one. You need to start playing the
this is a major
minor.
one, sir.
Yeah, then I'll start playing different modes. I also play niche room, the melodic minor, then Phrygian, the mostly I'm going sometimes going with then major. Sorry. As once I reach to a wrong note, I try to include it with some other scale. However, this is more of a basic class, so don't worry. Start from basic, then continue this one. Yes, I would suggest you to start with case system first. How you can play the same major scale at 5 different places, and then the next one. Sir, I'm able to find the melody notes of a song, but can you suggest me how can I find chords of any song? You are at the right place. That's what we are going to discuss today, Naman. Yes. So I guess I would suggest you to start working with case system, Saubhagya, and then move to the 3 note per string stuff.
Okay,
It's
okay,
more
okay.
3 note per string. Sometimes become more advanced, and then it also evolves into extended scale guitar playing. which will help you to do these kind of stuff. So these kind of steps are just done by 3 note per strings, but you need
So,
to have a good
what to
idea.
find out this kind of notes, sir? Because whatever I know, this is like simple.
Years.
Okay, this one is the one I have been taught like my gurus and all. Okay, so I have
No.
not. This is the like first time I'm seeing someone is doing. Okay, like you are stretching the fingers and doing it in that very much different way, right?
Yeah.
So I just wanted to know, sir, where to find out all these things, sir? Because there is no particular source where
YouTube.
we can find these things. Yeah.
Where to YouTube?
Okay, so
YouTube is the best place to find out. Of course, my classes as well. You can also join the advanced classes. Advanced session joined by Front Row. We've been done. There were live classes which happens. So Ishan can help you out with that one. So should we start, Ishan, or we wait for another 1 minute, 2 more minutes? There's still people joining. Chef Ali is here. Nice. After so many time, I'm seeing Chef Ali. iPhone. I would suggest everybody to please keep your cameras on. So guys, this thing will look like more of a class rather than a podcast. Thank you, Karman. Also, when you turn on your camera, it also brings your name to the front, and you're associated with Front Row, so you should be sitting in front. I would suggest you. Hello, Ritik.
Sir, I had a doubt.
Yes.
Sir, how to sing along with the chords?
How to
Like,
sing along with the chords?
I can play the chords well, but when I start singing,
yeah,
it all gets messed up.
So are you good at singing or are you good at guitar? How you compare your two scales?
Sir, actually, I'm a beginner. I learned some chords.
No, but singing. So are you good at singing?
I am okay-ish at singing.
Okay, so you need to excel one skill first, or I would suggest should you start doing either guitar or either singing while doing some other stuff like reading something or watching some movie. Try to play guitar while doing unconscious mind. So you will start playing this guitar with unconscious mind. So I can even talk to you and just keep playing this guitar. So that's what you need to do. Once you get to that level, then only you will start able to sing and play guitar at the same time. So that is the best way.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Okay, so now I'm able to find out melodies out of a song, but can you suggest, can I find chords of any song? That's the same question I'm asking. So, okay. Yes, any more question? I would suggest everybody to keep their cameras on, guys. Thank you, Anushka, Abanindra, and Roshan. Okay, let's start today then. So how many of you have attended my last classes, or is there anybody who's attending this session for the first time? You're the first time, Ritik?
Was on the last class, sir.
You attended the last class, Abhakya?
Yeah, yes,
okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, so Malika was also new, is also new. Okay. You're also new, Anushka? First class. Oh, there's Roshan is first, Redmi and N1 is also first, Sonika is also first. You attended the last class?
Yes, sir.
Nice. So only 5 to 6 people who had not attended the last class? Okay, out of these 5 to 6 people, how many of you think that they know the pretty basic chords and basic strumming patterns? They can just lower their hands. I know the basics. Nice, Samantrita. I know the basics. Cool. Then it's fine.
Go for something extra.
Sorry?
We can go for the in the advanced section, sir.
Like advanced section now. These are only dedicated. These batches are only dedicated for basic one. So Ishan can help you out for to get to the advanced batches.
Okay.
Or is there anybody who's? But today will be more of an advanced to beginner thing. Today's class is more of an ear training. This will teach you how to figure out chords, how to make your own chord progressions, and how to figure out the chords by ear. What happens? Now you guys know how to play the basic chords. Yes, you know how to play C major and A major, G, D major, and most of the basic chords. Some of the chords you don't know right now, but that doesn't matter. We always have an alternative. And but you need to understand one thing: how we can actually play any song. Mostly people say that just search the chords online, and we can play any song, isn't it? That's
Yeah.
what many people does. But that's not the good way of doing it, because what will happen if you are among some group of people and they ask you to play a certain song, and that the song those chords you does not know. So you cannot take your mobile out and start searching for the chords right away and then tell them ki ruko 2 minute ruko, and then I'll just figure out the chords and we'll make I'll then sing. It will be very awkward. So there's a way you can figure out the chords of the song right while singing. It's within it's more of an improvising over chords, because a same note can be sung at different chords. The same note, the same chord comes in F as well. Same note comes in D as well. Same note comes in A minor. Same note comes in what? The B flat major 7. Same note comes in F major 7. Same note comes in D minor. Same note comes in so many. There can be infinite possibilities of singing one note and playing different chords. So I can sing it. More. Still the same note being sung throughout, but I played like many chords throughout it. So it means whatever note you're singing should be part of a chord. You need to understand this thing first. If you understand this part, then you will be able to figure out the chords very fast. Okay. The first way to figure out the chords, actually there are certain steps needed which is required. So first you guys need to know a major scale. So how many of you don't know a major scale? You don't know major scale? You don't know major scales? You know major scale or you don't know major scales?
No major scales. That's easy.
Okay. I asked who don't know the major scale. Okay. Let me start with the major scale. There's anybody who's, okay, Roshan Teli does not know. Anybody else who does not know how to play major scale? Kushagra does not know. Let me start with a very fast version of major scale. So scale. जैसे कि we have different types of scales like meter scale, centimeter scales, inch वाली scale भी होती है we have. So similarly we also have a major scale. It always happens. People start annotating. Nice drawing. Who is drawing? Sumetha. Let me just stop annotating. So scales, major scales. So जैसे inch scale होती है and we have centimeter scales, we have millimeter scales or other scales. The music also have scales. It is used to measure distances between the note. हम centimeter scales measure distances between the objects. We measure distances between the different sounds. When we talk about major scales, there will be different types of scales. One is major scale. There will be minor scales. There will be harmonic minor scales. There will be Japanese scales like Komoi. There will be many Arabian scales and different scales. Every country have their own scales. China have their pentatonic scales and other stuff. India have their ragas and other stuff. So there are all scales. They have own set of scales which identify the note distances. Harmonic minor, yes, harmonic minor is also a scale. So everything is measured between the distance. So its scale is used to measure the distance between the notes. So easiest scale, the scale which everybody starts with, is a C major scale. Sorry, I missed a note. C major scale, and it is like the white keys of the keyboard, right? If you play all the white keys of the piano, that will be a C major scale. C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C. किसी को यहाँ तक कोई दिक्कत? Anybody? No? Should I continue?
No.
Cool. So when we write down this C major scale, you will realize we are missing some notes in from the chromatic scale, because we have 12 notes in music. किसी को ऐसा doubt जो अभी भी सोच रहा है 7 ही note होते हैं music में? There are 12 notes in music. Let me just mention it faster. So there will be C, C sharp, D, D sharp, E, F, F sharp, G, G sharp, A sharp, B sharp. It's not B sharp. Pakde gaye. Yes. So there will be C sharp over here, D sharp, F sharp, G sharp, A sharp. B and E won't be having any sharps. You will realize it started looking like a piano. There are 2 black keys over here and there are 3 black keys over here. Right? It is actually a piano. So the white keys are the C, D, F, G, A, B, C, and the black keys become the sharper notes. So the note which is coming, the black note which is coming after C is a C sharp. And the black note which is coming after T is a T sharp. You're missing this one. So now we will try to make a formula. As I called this one as a major scale, we try to come, yes, nice, Ritik, even though you are muted, I'm able to read your lips. Whole, half. The very common formulas of writing a scale. Okay, I'll ask Ritik only then. So, hi Ritik, can you unmute yourself?
Hi.
Okay, so can you fastly tell me the E major scale?
E major scale. E,
Yes.
tone F. Wait a second, I'm kind of confused. Tone होता है E, F sharp. Tone, इसका tone G sharp. Tone. Semitone अब A.
Yes.
A इसके बाद B.
Yes.
फिर C sharp.
Nice.
फिर D sharp. फिर
Very
E.
nice.
That's
Nice. Okay. So it takes time, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah. But if somebody asks you directly ki Shantanu, you already wrote it. How much time ago? Right away. Like it took him the same time. So it takes time actually. This thing takes time to remember. We cannot remember every skill. There are 12 skills in music, right? It will be very difficult to just, it won't worth it ki sari skills yaad kar lo. But you will need to learn it to be able to play it. So what happens if I ask him, Ritik, the same question, even though he knows, many people knows this tone, half tone formula, tone, half tone, half formula. It won't work out that well because if I ask him directly that how many sharps were there in E major, he won't be able to answer it right away. If I ask somebody else who already know this whole half, that's you answer it. But how many sharps are there in B now? It takes time, isn't it? You should have been answering it, right? Right, Abhishek. Okay. So it takes time. Either you remember it or it always takes time actually. But somebody's
So
being
actually,
remembering it
what
is,
I think is if someone is playing piano keyboard, then he must be that is quite easier to answer him, right?
sorry? What?
If
Sorry, what you
someone
were
is
saying?
playing keyboard, then yes, sir. I just said that if someone is having idea about keyboard,
Yeah.
that keys, then he can say it very much easily. Yeah.
Yeah, but if they are not having keyboard, if I am interviewing yourself and you're not having your keyboard, then what you will do?
No, sir. Like I do play keyboard. I do play keyboard. So like whenever we said that how many black keys in a keyboard on a
Yeah.
B scale.
Yeah.
So that was okay. Like okay,
You would just play it by
black notes.
Saregama Padanisa and then figure it out how many
Yeah,
black
yeah.
keys you played.
But
Right.
before playing guitar, I used to play keyboard, sir. As you have already said that you are also going through the same page.
Yeah.
I was also playing keyboard before, so I know the way.
Nice. Okay. But this is the very old school way of figuring out scales. Whole, half, whole, half. सालों से करे आ रहे हैं लोग. It's also a
Yes,
very
sir.
boring way. It is not very
Yes,
fun.
sir.
What happened? मेरे साथ एक किस्सा हुआ था. I can share one incident. I went for an interview like 4-5 years back in a music college, and they were interviewing me for a professor level. And what they asked me right away, actually, the management guy, मेरा interview पहले हो चुका था. The people already asked me questions related to music, but there was final interview which was left. And he was asking me the managing director asked me one question, that how many sharps are there in B? And I was stunned by that question because he only gave me 5 seconds. And then after the 5 seconds, he just asked me the next question. It was a rapid fire. So
Okay.
I was not able to answer it, even though I got the job. That was not really required. But that day I felt very bad because I myself as a grade 8 ABRSM, I should be able to answer this thing. Right. So maybe some I hyperventilated, maybe. So whatever. So I came back to the hotel. I was staying in Chennai, and that's why most of the time I stayed in hotel with my AC. It was very hot outside, so I felt that Wakin, I need to come up with some method that I can figure out this skill right away. And so I started with this thing, and now I'm going to tell you the how to write scales and play scales right away. For playing scales, you need to know where the notes are. So उसके लिए आपको गिटार के frets याद करने पड़ेंगे, of course. Now, the easiest way to come up with any scale sharps is drawing the note. You guys must be thinking what I'm talking about. Let's start it. So C, starting with C note, which is having no sharps in it. It is very easy to draw. Drawing C requires 0 scales. That is why C major is having 0 sharps. You guys feeling that I'm mad kind of thing, but it is true. I too am mad. So next one is the G note. For drawing G, we need 1 skill at least to draw this thing. That is why G is having 1 sharp. You will realize it works everywhere. Let me just go ahead. So next one is D. You draw 1 straight line, another one, and D is having 2 sharps. कभी ऐसा सोचा ही नहीं कि ऐसा भी होता था. A. How many sharps will be there in A? What do you guys think? 3. Right. How many sharps are there in E? 4. Beautiful. See, this thing works. Now the trick question, that the question which was asked to me, how many sharps are there in B? 2. And I told you it is a trick question. So B banane ke liye you will draw B, you will draw E first and draw 1 extra line to it to make it a B. So it constitutes the 5 sharps in B major. Now you know the sharp, but it is having 1 flaw. That is, the flaw is you, even though you know number of sharps, you can read actually music sheets, you can actually read the pitch and the key signatures now. But there will be a problem when you're talking about, hi sir, please help me. How, Anita? Okay. So there was a flaw. You still know that how many sharps are there. Join करना है, please sir help me. Join करना है, मतलब? Okay. Beat GCF. There's one thing called. You need to remember this phrase. Beat GCF. You can call it anything. अपना phrase बना सकते हो. Beat necklace जो आपने अपनी girlfriend को दिया, or anything. जो कुछ भी phrase बना सकते हो. It doesn't matter. Beat GCF. You need to remember this is called circle of fifth or circle of fourth. It is very important, circle of fifth and circle of fourth. And बार you will come back to हम लोग इस चीज को बार लेकर आएंगे. Towards the end of the class, we will be using this thing again. Okay, beat GCF. So when I said that C major is having 0 sharp, it is not having any sharps. G major is having 1 sharp, and see the pattern, start seeing the pattern. G major is having 1 sharp, that is F sharp. D major is having 2 sharps. We draw D by drawing 2 lines, that is C sharp and F sharp. A is having 3 sharp, that is G sharp, C sharp, and F sharp. Can you see the pattern? Are you guys able to see the pattern? So A is having 4 sharps. Sorry, A is having 3 sharps. E is having 4 sharps, that is D sharp, G sharp, C sharp, and F sharp. B is having 5 sharps, that is A sharp, D sharp, G sharp, C sharp, and F sharp. So एक note छोड़ के, you will know the number of the sharps. It's very easy to figure out any scale now.
So okay. Can you repeat it?
Yes.
Clear with that.
So circle of fifth. This is called circle of fifth. You need to remember, and this is the holy grail of music. Sir, what is the time of harmonic classes? Harmonic? What do you mean by harmonic classes? Harmony sessions you're talking about? We had it today only. Okay, whatever. But scale like G sharp, how to remember? I'll come to that part. First, let's cover this up. C major is having 0 sharp. G major is having 1 sharp, that is F sharp. Okay? G major यहाँ पे C skip करके F ले लिया. Then D major is having 2 sharp, that is F sharp and C sharp. We always count from the right side.
मैं हारमोनियम चलाना अपना पा चली गई कर ले हैं बुढ़िया मच्छर ला
हारमोनियम पे भी हो जाएगा वैसे ये.
आ जाएगी मच्छर ना लड़ा.
Okay. Then the A major is having 3 sharps, that is F sharp, C sharp, and G sharp. We always count from the right side. E is having 4 sharp, that is F sharp, C sharp, G sharp, D sharp. When we talk about 5 sharp, it will be F sharp, C sharp, G sharp, D sharp, A sharp. Now somebody asked me that what will happen if there is a sharp scale, G sharp itself. Right? So how many sharps were there in G? One. C, or if we need one scale to draw that rectangular thing. One. There's one sharp, that is F sharp.
Yes, sir.
Right? And so, what I was saying. Okay, G sharp. So G sharp scale, 1 sharp was there in G. Okay, I'll rephrase my question. There was 0 sharps in C. C sharp के अंदर 7 sharp notes होते हैं. सातों के 7 sharp होंगे. अगर C major के अंदर 0 sharp है. G major में 1 sharp है. So how many sharps will be there in G sharp? No. 6. It's always 7 minus 1. It's 7 minus the number of the scale. So D major, we have 2 sharps. So D sharp will be having 5 sharps. 7 minus number. That's the trick. So A major is having 3 sharps. So how many sharps will be there in A sharp?
4.
4. Just 7 minus 3. Isn't it easy? Okay. So once you figure out कि A major scale क्या है, you can also figure out A sharp major scale क्या है. जो A major scale में sharp थे वो अब sharp नहीं होंगे, बाकी सारे sharp होंगे. Right? So at the cost of 1, you are getting the sharp scales as well. So it makes very easy to figure out the scales right away. So when I think about it, it becomes very easy. But playing the scales is a different question. You need to remember the notes over the guitar for that. And it's a very big task to be done. So what I suggest you, so जिनको अभी beginner stage पे उनको अभी से start कर देना चाहिए, and otherwise they will start having problem later. जो already advanced or intermediate level पे, and they should start doing it, and they अगर उनको आता है, that is very good thing. So what you need to do, you know the tuning of the guitar is E, A, D, G, B, E. E, A, D, G, B, right? E, A, D, G, B, E. So you will try to figure out all the B over the guitar. The next one, or you will figure out all the E's over the guitar. We are still following that beat GCF formula. आप पहले सारे B ढूंढ लो, सारे E ढूंढ लो, A ढूंढ लो, D ढूंढ लो, G ढूंढ लो, C ढूंढ लो, F ढूंढ लो, बस इतना आपने कर लिया. You will get a very good command over reading frets over the guitar. आपको सारे frets याद हो चुके होंगे अगर आपने ये सिर्फ individually कर लिया. Okay, yes, Vinita, she's still raising hand. Okay, going ahead. But why we are using it? We need to come up to our topic. The topic was predicting chords, how we can predict chords. So now let me just go ahead and tell me, can anybody tell me what will be the A major scale? Just jaldi. How many sharps will be there and what will be those sharps? मैं लिख दूंगा जब तक. क्या?
Can I?
Yes.
A, B, C sharp, D, E, F sharp, G sharp, A.
Nice. Okay. So once you get this one, what happens? We actually give numbers in music. Numbers plays very important role in music. You need to remember the numbers. So we give numbers to the music. This is called Nashville number system. We give numbers. It is maybe invented in Nashville. That's why they are calling it a Nashville number system. 6 and 7 and back to 8. इंडियन क्लासिकल ऑलरेडी इनको नंबर कर देता है, isn't it? वो किसी भी काली नोट्स और किसी भी नोट से स्टार्टिंग को सा बोलते हैं. They start with the pehli kali, they call it a sa. They can start with the second kali, they will still call it a sa.
Yes,
So they are actually numbering it in their own language. Sa re ga ma pa dha ni sa, where the dha is the sixth, where ni is the seventh. So we are just directly giving them numbers without giving them actually any names. Do re mi fa sol la ti do kind of thing. So it's always about like giving names to the same thing, but it always works as numbers. Everybody will take reference to the numbers. Okay. When we choose numbers, we are also at common grounds. Now listen to me carefully. Chords. Within major scale, within one major scale, किसी भी major scale में, there 1, 4 और 5th number की notes से start होने वाली chord will always be a major chord. Let me just write down C major here. So C major होगा C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C. Give them numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So इसमें कौन कौन से major chords होंगे? What do you guys think? C. Yes, yeah.
C,
E,
F,
Yes.
G,
C, F and G will be the major chord. तभी आप अभी तक जिन्होंने गाने अगर प्रैक्टिस की होगी लास्ट क्लास में जब मैंने बोला था, then you must have figured it out that C major always comes with G major. They are like they are best friend. They always came together, right? F major comes in C major scale. जो भी songs हमने C major से सीखे, they must be having C, F and G chord. So that happens every time, right? Okay. There's one more concept. So 2, 2nd and 3rd and the 6th note of the scale are the minor chords. And the 7th one is a diminished one.
yeah.
Okay. I also call it a demonic one. It do sounds demonic to me. Yeah, it is demonic. I can make you listen to it. So this is B diminished. Comes to C major. Okay, so what happens? We can actually practice Saregama. Give me some sunshine song has these C, F, G. Yes, most of the pop songs have these chords. Shantanu, don't worry. Every pop songs or easy Bollywood songs or international songs, they just follow this stuff. If something is simple, it is also memorable, and that's why to make things simple, we always try to keep ourselves to the common grounds. These are the common grounds. Okay,
So which are the notes of the diminished scale, sir?
sorry.
Which are the notes of a diminished scale, sir? Like if you take like A major scale, then what will be the
Yeah.
diminished note, sir?
For A major scale or A
Yeah.
diminished scale.
Okay. Like if you are going through the A scale, then the ni note will be the diminished note one, right? The 7th one.
Ni, no, it will be the diminished one. Yes, the 7th one.
So,
That will be the G sharp. G sharp diminished chord. And then chord note for the G sharp diminished will be G sharp, B, and T. Will be the G sharp diminished chord. For it is more of a minorish version of a minor chord. You guys मतलब already said था, उसको बंदे को मार ही दिया. That is called diminished one. So that is what I think about diminished. The happy, it was happy major.
Okay.
It becomes sad,
Okay.
and then we call it COVID. No, diminished. Sorry.
COVID.
Okay, so
See, diminished means the
my
COVID.
bad. So yeah, coming back. So what I was saying that you can actually sing your Saregama Pada Nisa thing exercises over chords now. So starting with C major and D minor and B minor, F major, G major, A minor, B diminished, yeah B COVID, C, Sa ni dha pa So it works well because you're singing those notes. So I played chord with every note. Sa, re, ga, ma, pa, dha, ni. Back to sa. Right? Okay. Now, once you understand this concept, now we can continue to the final step to understand the chords of any song. So, आपको सबसे पहले क्या पता होना चाहिए? When we listen to certain song, I listen to being a guitar, how to recognize the chords. That's what we are discussing, Sumalika. In piano, C major is C, E, G, right? That is correct. So, what's the difference? What you are trying to ask?
सर वो फैमिली निकालने के उसमें फैमिली निकालने के फॉर्मूला में और कॉर्ड निकालने के फॉर्मूले में कंफ्यूज है आई गेस.
This is, guys, so okay, right now what I'm saying ki C major is a good is, so in guitar it will be different. No, it will be C, E, G only. What I'm talking, it does not define that C, F, G is not the C major chord. I'm telling ki C major scale ke andar the C, F and G are the major chords. Are the major chords. I'm not saying, okay, so I'm saying ki C, E, G is a C major chord. That is true. F, A, C will be F major chord. G, B, D will be a G major chord. But I am saying when we are writing a C major scale, once we define a scale, the 1st, 4th, and 5th number chord of 5th number degree will always be a major chord. That you need to understand. So when we talk about D major scale, what do you guys think? What will be the major chords in D major scale? Faster. G and A. That's good. I hope you guys are getting. Is there anybody who is not getting this concept? Because in the next step, you won't be able to understand if you're not getting this part. Sorry, I actually forgot to define this part. This is called chord families, guys. And it is different for every major scale. Sad. There are thousands of scales. You need to learn the chords of families of every scales. But most of the time, they will be just linked back to this major scale. That's why understanding major scale chord family will help you out learning different chord families as well, like a Dorian or different modes or harmonic minor and with very weird chords in it. Okay, going ahead. The next thing you guys need to know is a progression. When we have a chord, we need a progression. So what do you think? What is a progression means? I asked this question in the last class. You guys should be able to answer it. What is a progression?
We can play the combination of chords.
Loop,
just like 1, 4,
movement
5.
of chord.
Or 5, 6, 4.
Yeah. So progression means the chords are used throughout the song.
Yeah.
The sequence of the chords which are used in a particular section, I would say.
Yeah.
Because the chord changes as arrangement of chords. That's also true. Progression. Okay. So progression, I hope most of the people already know it. So it's good. It's just a series of chords being written one after other to define a section, to reach our particular goal, or to express a certain emotion. Right? Okay. So how we can define the progression? I was asking that once you know the scale of the song, first you need to understand the key of the song. So what you will do, आप क्या करोगे, कोई भी सॉन्ग का अगर आपको स्केल निकालना है, what you will try to sing it first. So ना ना आए हो ना आओगे. So you will do na. So you will try to figure out note na na. So hit and try. once you figure out कि कौन सी scale में है, you can actually hit and try method, this one, da, 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 da. You will try to figure out what notes were. You can count and go back. So there was D note, there was E note in it, there was G note. It is in G major. No. So once you figure out keys, the key of the song is C. There's many ways actually the singer will take advantage in figuring out the keys, because they are able to relate and be able to figure out these notes on the guitar. Otherwise, you can do the hit and trial method, trying to figure out which chord matches with your first note. Now, it does not match it, because the note which you are singing is not contained within this chord. No, it's not working. No, it's slightly working, but not working that much. Oh my god. Somehow it works, but it does not go well with the song which we want to sing it. Then E major, doesn't work. You will hit and try. This is the second way. Once you figure out, okay, now you got the feeling that this is the place. So once you figure out the key is C, you will write down the C major scale, and you will remember that these are the major chords, these are the minor chords. The next one is to figure out the chord progression once you listen to it. So to reach to the next stage, you guys need to tell me that whether you guys have watched Doraemon before. Very outside question I asked. Yes.
Yes,
you guys
sir. Many
you
times.
have Doraemon. You guys remember Doraemon? You guys must be thinking why I am asking this silly question during in the middle of the class. Doraemon. Yes. I hope like सबने सुनी ही होगा, नहीं तो हनी सिंह में तो सुन ही लिया होगा Doraemon. So yeah, mostly people know Doraemon. So I'm very intrigued about Doraemon when I was very young actually, and so I made my music grammar theory based over Doraemon now. So I'm going to introduce a music grammar which is just brought to you by Doraemon, and of course me. So Doraemon is a very it was used to be a robot, and who used to have a very particularly instruments which were from future. And I was very intrigued by one of his instrument that is called Anywhere Door, because that door can take you anywhere. So you really don't need any air tickets, right? It will be very fun to have that Anywhere Door. And I'll be using that Anywhere Door in my music grammar today. How that Anywhere Door, a particular chord, can take you to any key in the world, all the 12 keys. Yes, that's true. Let's go ahead without wasting any time. So this is a music grammar by Doraemon. No, he never introduced it in the movie. I just had some personal lessons with him. No kidding. So as I said, we will be using this Doraemon's gate to pay tribute to him. I'll paint this gate as blue. So this is a Doraemon gate we'll be using today. So this gate can be opened, the Anywhere Door can be opened anywhere, and it can take you anywhere. That was the two clause which worked with this one. Okay? This is a gate, and this gate can take you anywhere. There are two clauses: can be opened anywhere, and can take you anywhere. That is why it is called Anywhere Door. These are the two clauses which is associated with this Doraemon's gate. Let me just put this gate a little aside. Okay, there are more elements in my music grammar. So the other element, जिसको आप बहुत अच्छे से जानते हो, many people have different names for it. Some people call it home, some people call it root, some people call it key. So this is my home. डबल स्टोरी बन गया ये, सॉरी माय बैड. Sure. So this is my home, or the key center, whatever you can call it. Very beautiful orange painted home. And there is another element. That element is called path. The path which will take you to this Doraemon gate. Okay. Very disturbed path as well. So this is the path, and this is my home. Home. This is path. Okay, now listen to me very carefully. There are certain chords in major scale which are termed as home chords. Those chords are 1, 3, and 6. Most of the time, the song starts from these 3 chords only. Most of the time. 80% of the time, the song will always start from these chords. We'll take an example, don't worry. The next concept. There are certain chords which are called path chords, which are 2 and 4. These chords are used to design the middle, a passing note thing. It will be like, see, writing music is more of a drawing thing. So C scale, Kera, my bad. I'm not able to understand that. Okay. So when we talk about a music composition thing, what we do, we design it. We stay at the home. We go outside. And when we want to come back, we'll be using the third element of our music theory, that was gate. And there are certain chords which are always said as a gate or anywhere door in music. And these are the most important ones. These are the 5th and the 7th note. So how many chords do you think this home is having? Major chords. How many major chords are there at home?
Seven.
Sorry? Should I repeat my question? So 1, 3, 6 are called the home chords. So how many major chords are there within 1, 3, 6? 1, 3, 6 में से कितनी major chords हैं?
2.
2. कौन सी?
C and F.
G and F. Only one. Why?
C and F.
Because say you forgot the last page. Chord families, there is only 1, 4, 5 are the major chords. So 1 ही है इसके अंदर से major chord. That is the first one only. 3 and 6 are the minor chords. Getting it? No?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. So in the path, how many major chords are there within the path?
1.
How many major chords are there within the gate? 1.
1.
See? And now I'm going to show you how the music flows. Music, any song starts within the home. Oh my God, kuch zyada bada error ho gaya. Let me just dream. Yes. So any song starts within the home. It goes outside to the path, travels around, go to the gate, and this gate will throw you back to the home. This is how the music works. Always. You'll play the C major chord, you'll play the F major chord, and then you'll play the G major chord, and then you will play the C major chord again. Okay, let's experiment it. Why I'm calling path chords as path chords? Why not other names? Unko home chords क्यों नहीं कहा? Let's take an example. So this is in the key of C major scale. What will be the home chords? क्या क्या होंगे वो chords? C major scale में कौन सी chords होंगे? Home chords. Sorry. And it's no, I'm not able to read your lips now, Ritik.
C, F or A.
C, E or A?
E or
C,
A,
E and A. Yes, that is correct. And out of the C, E and A, the C is the major chord, E minor, and the A minor chord. So we can we can actually switch back between these chords whenever I want. So C major, you can start with C major, then you can play A minor, just roaming around from one room to the another room. घर के अंदर जैसे आप घूमते रहते हैं. So that's what we are doing, just going from C major to A minor. There's not much of an very oral changes because most of the chord is having two notes in common. So you, even though there is one chord is transitioning from major chord to a minor chord, but there's still not of a much of a change. That's why you must have figured it out while playing guitar that C major and A minor is having a lot common, like only one finger common. Sorry, two fingers common. You only need to move one finger to make it a minor back to C major. So you can travel C major, A minor. You can also go to the E minor. You're still at home. It does not feel outside. Now I'm going to show you how it feels outside. What is outside? So when I will try to move from 1 to 3, then I'll move from 1 to 2. The 2 chord, which is a path chord. You will understand it why I called it a path chord. So C, 1 and 3. I'll go back to the 1. Now second chord. Sounds outside? Totally outside? Is there any specific reason standard tuning has been tuned into that because of the case system? E, B, G, D, A, E. That is why it is used. Okay. And C. So D minor sounds totally outside. Similarly, C major, you can play the 4th chord, it also sounds outside. Only difference is D minor is the sad outside, sad path, or F major is the happy path. So when we are having happy feelings while going outside, post-COVID wala period, when we love to go outside when we are not stuck at home. So C, F, and when you are hating yourself, when going after outside or going to somewhere, so C major and D minor. You can of course exchange between D minor and F major whenever you can want, because as I was saying, you came outside with a happy mood, but suddenly somebody mad, which change your mood. So you start with the F major chord and then D minor. Then the last chord, which is the gate, the Doraemon's gate, which is the most important one. Doraemon's gate will throw you back to the home. So what will be the Doraemon's gate? What will be the chords in Doraemon's gate? Sorry, that should be the question. In C major.
G and B.
G and B. So G major and B diminished. So you can use any of these chords which will always throw you back to the C major. C major, you start with A minor, I'm still at home. And E minor, living room, I'm still at living room. But suddenly I picked up my keys and went outside. Then somebody I met from I felt very nostalgic. And then I opened the Doraemon gate, I want to go back home. And it will throw you back to C major back. So we came back to home. So it works like wonders. So you can take an example of any song, like any Paul, like if I take an example of Perfect. So Perfect will be a perfect example. Yeah, quite. So I found a love for me. It's within the home. So see, I found a love for me. Darling, just dive right in. It goes outside because even the lyrics itself is saying that you need to dive right in and we are going outside something, right? So I found a love for me. Darling, just dive right in. Follow my lead. I found a love, beautiful and sweet. I never knew you were the someone waiting for me. What? Okay, but sometimes, as I said, अभी तक हमने anywhere door का ढंग से use भी नहीं किया. So किसी ने मुझे एक example दिया था that what सारी उम्र हम मरमर की चिली, that what was the song? What was the song name?
Give me some sunshine.
Give me some sunshine. Yeah. So in the Give Me Some Sunshine, you will realize the starting part is played at C major and G major. Not C major, F major. C major and G major. Now you was saying that this is breaking our rules now. How it is directly going to the gate thing.
Sir, intro is C major and F major.
C major,
Like
F.
this. Yeah, ऐसे.
This one.
एक single strum में आता है.
And then there is a G back again.
हाँ, वो lines पर verse पर.
But the song once the singer starts with the C major and G major. So we start with the C major. So it goes from C major to G major, and it goes from F major to G major when G do comes, because we are going outside. But mostly in the starting part, you will realize the C major and G major is switched. But in this way, we are skipping the path, isn't it? So it does mean now we are using the first rule of anywhere door. It can be opened anywhere. You can directly go to gate from home. ऐसा ही तो करता था Doraemon. He used to pick up his gate outside within the home. So from within the home, you can travel to the gate. That's the first. Now we are following the first law of it. You can actually start predicting the chords. Now how you will predict the chords? So once the song starts, it will always start within the home. Once you know the key center that this song is in D major, so you will always play the 1 3 6 1 3 or 6. Sorry, 1 2. So these are the common chords. And third chord. These are the home chords. Until we go outside, आपको वो लगने लगेगा कि he went outside. Like then can you suggest me any other song? Don't suggest me any modal structure. Yes. Any song? We started with fifth chord. Oh yeah, let me change the scale. So this song starts with this D major. I'm in the scale of D major. Now I ho. So see, dono stanzas, dono lines sound similar. That's why we are just roaming within the home. I can change the chords. Na sham ki, from here he went outside. Na sham ki karari chai labon se yun pilaoge. Na aaye ho, na aoge. Le jaye tujhe kahan hawaye, hawaye. Le jaye tujhe kahan hawaye, hawaye. Le jaye jale jale. See, it sounds outside. You will understand it right away that this song went outside, and you know what chords will be there. अगर आपको ये पता चलने लगा है कि what is a minor chord and what is a within the home. It's outside. That's the Doraemon gate. We went outside. Doraemon gate. Right? Makes sense? Okay. So this theory works everywhere. Okay, but you will realize we only completed one part of it. It can be opened anywhere, but what about it can take you anywhere? How it can take you anywhere? With taking you anywhere means different keys actually, not taking you anywhere seriously. Okay, so you will answer this question me, and then this will be the end of this session if you answer me this question. So now what will happen? I want to go to the home of my very close friend A major scale. कुछ ज़्यादा ही हो गया. A. So I'm in the key scale of C major, but मैं A major scale में जाना चाहता हूँ. This gate can take you to A major scale as well. So मैं ऐसा क्या use करूँ कि I can be in the A major scale? Can anybody answer me?
So minor.
Minor?
A minor
A minor.
use होगी.
No, मैं A major scale में जाना चाहता हूँ. I don't want to stay in C major scale because
Sir,
songs
तो
में से
मतलब जैसे ब्रिज में होता है ना कि ब्रिज में ले आते हैं, स्केल रेज कर देते हैं.
scale change कर देते हैं. Yes, that's what I'm talking about.
Yeah.
How we can do that? I want to go to the A major scale. मैं थोड़ी देर में होके आ जाऊँगा. He's my close friend. I just want to meet him. What you will do? What chord you will use? What will be that passing chord which will take you A major? You will realize that within C major scale we have A minor. Diminished chord. What diminished chord? Samradhita. Once anybody answer, this will be the end of the session then.
Asking who?
Sorry? Which diminished, Samradhita?
SAS for
A diminished. No, A diminished is not the right answer.
SAS2 or SAS4?
Sorry, for what?
We can
SAS
use-
chord?
Yes, SAS4.
Which SAS chord? B diminished is not the right answer, Abhishek.
Then G chord.
G chord? G major, no.
G.
G is also not the right answer. F major, no. F major is also not the right answer. Okay, so what is a Doraemon gate? Doraemon gate में आती कौन सी chord है? What are the chords within Doraemon gate? That's the 5th and 7th. That Doraemon gate only works for C major because we were using the 5th and 7th of C major. We need to use the 5th and 7th of A major to go to A major. Are you getting it? So what will be the 5th and 7th of A major? You need to start using your theory behind. Okay? While you guys are just figuring it out, I'll just answer it in one very simple word. As I said, E and G sharp actually, see here, that is E major and G sharp diminish. G sharp being the 7th note and E being the 5th note. So I'll make it easier. Remember we talked about this thing. And I told you I'll use it towards the end. That G major takes you to C major. I want to go to A major. E major will take you to A major. Let's try to do the experimenting thing. I'll start within home. C major से start करते हैं. C major within this home. I went in घर के अंदर हूँ मैं अभी भी. Still घर के अंदर home. Then now I went outside. D minor. Now instead of going to the gate of C major, I'll go to the gate of A major. That is E major, which will push you to A major. Now, if I want to go back to D major, I go outside from A major home, and then I'll open the gate for the C major, which will throw you back to the C major. it is always the cycle. You need to follow the cycle. If you know the 5th and 7th of any scale, you can travel to that scale by just playing that chord. It makes the transition smoother. Makes sense? And you can easily figure out that 5th chord by using this circle of 5th. That is why it is called circle of 5th. The G note will take you C major, the C will take you to F, D will take you to G, A will take you to D, B will take you to E. Music follows this cycle. Okay, guys, then I'll be signing off. If you have any doubts, please ask me right away. I have some classes lined up. Is anybody having any doubts now? No? I hope you guys, can you suggest how to find the key? I told you now you need to sing or figure out the hit and trial method. There's 2 ways. So either you know how to sing and try to match the chord. So if I take any na, 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 na. Once you figure out that note, na, na. So once you figure out that, na, we'll start with the key, playing the major chords from the same note. Na, and try to figure out 1, 4, 5, whether this major chord is a 4th chord, 5th chord, or 1st chord. That's how I figured it out. The key center. So once you start playing the melody, so once you figure out the key, now you figure out the key. Sargam आपको पता चल गया तो sa will be the key. That is the G major is the key. So now you will try to play it. And na, na. So you need to understand this chord should contain every melody note which you are singing. Na, 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 na. That's how we define how to figure out notes of a song. You need to sing and play. You need to figure out the melody or try to hit and try. Try to sing the note and try to play it. Okay, guys. Any other doubts? You can revisit this, the starting part of the class if you are having, because I already told you how to do that.
Yep, I think we can end the session here. It's already 10:40.
Yeah. Okay, guys. So I'll be seeing you next week then, same time. We'll be working over fingerstyle for the next class. And see you then. Take care. Have a great night. Good night. Have a Doraemon. May Doraemon comes in your dreams. Take care.
Bye-bye. Thank you, guys.
Bye-bye.